Hi guys, dinner time. Ito yung aming ulam ni Popo. Dalawa lang kami. Meron kaming fried na salmon. Ayan, kinukuha yung tinik. Meron siyang steam na egg with salted egg. Steam egg, minced pork with salted egg. Ito naman yung tawag dito yung isda na in-steam ko na eel, parang ahas. Masarap naman siya guys. Tapos ito yung preserved na pork, yung nakakent na may tausi, black beans. So ang aking sausawan ay, of course, di ako nawawala ng kimchi. So yummy, napaka-spicy ng aking kimchi. Meron akong konting, kaya nahati ko na, pinapak ko lang kanina. Vegetable choice. So guys, let's eat.